Now I'm going to add zinc to this, and the zinc will cause the copper to precipitate out. In other words, the zinc is more reactive as a metal than copper is. Notice we don't put zinc plumbing in a house, but we do put copper plumbing in a house. So what's going to happen is my copper should precipitate out. So I'm going to put a pinch of zinc in. And as the zinc reacts with the copper, the solution should become colorless. Now I want to stir this, but I don't want to whisk it, because if I whisk it, then my copper becomes too fine. Okay, if you look into the flask, you see you've got some copper being precipitated out. I'll put a little bit of more zinc in so you can see the reaction a little better. And again, I'll gently stir. If you notice the blue color is getting lighter, that's because as you take the copper out of solution, the blue copper. Now copper solutions are blue because they have d electron orbitals which can absorb light, and that's where the color is coming from. When you get to coordination chemistry, you'll get an in-depth discussion of that. Now if you don't see any zinc, then add a pinch more. Notice I'm not trying to add too much zinc, because any excess zinc I put in there I have to destroy, I have to get rid of. Now notice if you look through the side of your beaker, you can still see quite a bit of blue there, and so the copper has not all come out of solution yet. And it appears I probably should add a pinch more of zinc. Having moved the camera so you can get a top view, you notice it's almost colorless. If you look, you might see a few black specks of zinc in there, but I don't see any, so I'm going to add another pinch. Notice I don't add large amounts. This should be the final amount of zinc. Now if I got any excess zinc, I'm going to add hydrochloric acid. It appears the reaction is complete, and so I'm going to add the hydrochloric acid. So if there's any excess zinc in there, it will react, form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So if you see bubbling in there, that is hydrogen gas. So we'll give that a few minutes to react, then we'll wash our sample.